Looking for the best emergency radios to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 1. Midland Emergency Radio. When I moved to Florida, this classic Midland desktop with a radio was one of my first purchases. It's been with me through countless tornadoes, hurricane watches, and one direct hit, and I always feel safer having it on my desk for timely same alerts. I also love that I can tap a button to receive a NOAA weather forecast. I like how compact this unit is, and it doesn't clutter up my desk. Plus, you can mount it on a wall if that's more convenient. It's designed to be plugged into power and left on all the time, but it has a battery backup, too. The blue backlight is easy to see during the day and at night, and the alerts are more than loud enough. I jumped out of my seat the first time it went off for a regular NOAA test. Number 2. Sangean MMR88 Emergency Radio. This is my favorite portable emergency radio because it's very flexible, has lots of charging options, and the battery is user replaceable. I relied on this radio for emergency updates while my house was pounded by Hurricane Sally for hours, also using the charging function to keep my phone and Wi-Fi hotspot going. It's still my go-to weather radio, and I make sure it's charged and ready every hurricane season. The reason I chose this weather radio, and the reason I still use it, is that the rechargeable lithium battery isn't permanently soldered in, like a lot of other inexpensive weather radios. They are non-standard lithium batteries, but the radio runs a lot longer than options that run on regular alkaline batteries, like our best for camping pick. Number 3. Sangean CL100 Weather Alert Tabletop Radio. The Sangean CL100 is a flexible, desktop weather radio for use at home or while traveling, with the ability to remember up to 25 county codes for local alerts wherever you go. In addition to NOAA weather radio and customizable SAME alerts, it also receives AM/FM radio and includes a superior alarm clock function. I would prefer this to our overall best pick, another desktop model, but I haven't listened to the radio much since I relocated to Florida. If you still listen to music or talk radio regularly, this would be a great addition to your desk. This weather radio is typically about double the price of our overall best recommendation, but it has a number of extra features that make it worth considering. It's a little big and boxy to use as a portable radio, but the option to store multiple county codes for alerts makes it a great traveling companion. Number 4. Midland ER10 VP Weather Radio. The pint-sized Midland ER10 VP is my favorite mini weather radio, with a compact, soft-edged design that's easy to slip into your pocket. With a flashlight and wrist strap, it's great for hiking, camping, and all sorts of other activities outside emergencies. This radio is smaller than our best portable pick, and it provides the same access to NOAA weather radio and emergency alerts with support for SAME, so you can limit alerts to just your local county. In addition to NOAA weather radio, it also receives AM/FM radio, with a headphone jack for those times when you want to listen to the radio without bothering those around you. You can't charge this weather radio with a crank or solar panel, like our best shortwave pick or our best for camping recommendation, but it does use easily replaceable AA batteries. You can supply your own rechargeable AA batteries if you like, but the included batteries aren't rechargeable. Dimensions: 5 by 3 by 1.2 inches, power options, 3 AA batteries, transmission type, NOAA, AM/FM, durability, not listed. Number 5. Cobra Road Trip Handheld CB Radio. Cell towers don't always work during emergencies, which is why I keep a portable CB radio on hand. The Cobra HHRT50 is more than just a handheld CB radio though, it also receives NOAA weather radio and automatic emergency weather alerts. It's also capable of running on batteries or 12V DC, so it's very portable. This handheld radio picks up NOAA broadcasts, including automatic severe weather alerts, so it's useful to have both at home and while traveling. It doesn't support SAME, so you can't customize alerts like you can with our overall best recommendation, but I wouldn't want to take the time to change that setting while traveling anyway.